All right, good morning, friends. It's Mrs. McClure, and today we are going to learn about adjectives. What do you think an adjective is? Let's take a look at my anchor chart. An adjective, adjectives are words that describe a noun. Do you remember what a noun is? We've talked about nouns. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing, right? Well, adjectives are words that describe a person, a place, or a thing. So for example, I have a butterfly. This is my noun, a butterfly, right? It's a person, place, or thing. These words are adjectives because they describe it. So this butterfly is gorgeous. This butterfly is ravishing, okay? Then I have pizza over here. This pizza is yummy. This pizza is spicy, it's cheesy. Spicy, cheesy, yummy are all words that describe the pizza, okay? What about an apple? Can you describe an apple? Yeah, I have juicy, I have round, red. So it describes what it looks like. Adjectives describe what something looks like, what it tastes like, what it feels like, what it sounds like, right? So we're describing the noun. What about a cupcake? How could you describe a cupcake? We could say that it's yummy, it's good, it's sweet, it's delicious. What about the sun? The sun is hot. What color is it? Yellow. How could you describe a flower? Beautiful, pretty. How does a flower smell? Sweet, right? Soft. What about a pencil? Pencils can be sharp or dull, pointy, yellow, pink, eraser. So these are all words that describe something. Adjectives are words that describe. So what we're going to do today is we're going to practice describing things. And today we're going to come up with some adjectives to describe a spider. So just from looking at my picture here, what are some words that you can use to describe a spider? Well, I see that he's hairy. I see that he's black. So that would be a word to describe a black spider, hairy spider. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at that. I have a little map here and it says adjective, a describing word. Words that would describe a spider. So think of some words. What are some words that might describe a spider? Here's a good example. Hairy. Spiders are hairy. That's an adjective that can describe a spider. What else? Scary. Are spiders scary? For some people they are. Scary is a way to describe a spider. Sometimes spiders are scary, sometimes they're friendly, sometimes they're creepy. Those are all words that describe a spider. This one is poisonous. So some spiders are poisonous. So poisonous means that they could, cause danger or hurt somebody if they were to bite you, right? So poisonous spider. Poisonous is describing the spider. What's another adjective that we could use to describe a spider? Brown. Sometimes spiders are brown or black. Creepy. Good. Spiders can be creepy, so we could say the creepy spider or the brown spider, the scary spider. What's another adjective that you can think of to describe a spider? Sometimes spiders are shy, right? They don't want to be around people. They're scared. A scared spider. Scared would be a good one to describe it. A shy spider. So these are all adjectives, words that describe a spider, words that describe a noun. So remember, a noun is a person, a place, or thing. Adjectives are words that describe the person or place or thing. And good writers use adjectives in their writing to make their writing better, right? To describe what they're writing about. So today for your assignment, what I want you to do is you are going to create your own adjective map. So here's our spider right here. Think of some words that you can use to describe a spider. You're going to put adjectives that you can use to describe spiders, and you're going to write or type each adjective inside of these circles, okay? Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun, a person, a place, or a thing. Good writers use adjectives in their sentences to describe what they are writing about. Good job today.